Sport type. Hunting. Deer antler mounting kit. This easy-to-assemble kit fits almost all sizes and shapes of deer antlers. It includes a wood plaque and one red and one cream-colored skull cover, plus mounting hardware. Serious hunting tools. We build purpose-driven tools for serious hunters, and have since the beginning. No gimmicks. Every piece of gear that bears the Hunters Specialties name is born from experience. It is our own drive as hunters that makes us 100% committed to making you more effective and efficient in the field. Top reviews from the United States. Nice kit. Great kit to mount my son's first buck. It was a 2-year-old buck with the antlers broken off. But my son is 6, I had to do something for his first deer. It is a little hard to get the center cover piece cut just right.